Let's start. In this part, we will study about the replacement algorithm. Previously, we studied about the locality of reference. The property of locality of reference is in programs gives a clue to a reasonable strategy because program usually stay in localized area for reasonable period of time. There is a high probability that the block that have been referenced recently will be referenced soon again. Therefore, when a block is to be overwritten, it is sensible to override the one that has gone the longest time without being referenced. So this block is called as least recently used, that is LRU block, and technique is called as LRU replacement algorithm. Now what happen in LRU that to use the LRU algorithm, the cache controller must track references of all blocks as computation periods. Suppose that it is required to track the LRU block of 4 block set associative cache. So we need 2-bit counter can be used for each block. Let's say this is the block 4-way associative in which there are 4 blocks are there. So who is the current one comes current one, it is refers as the 0th one, and who is the oldest one is referred as it is not oldest one, it is third one is used least in this cache memory. So it can be anything like that, the number is there. So this one is the called as references. So when we do, so let's say initially there are no data is here, and we want to add some data. So we want processor wants some data, so first should be written in cache. So one data is something like a is come and written here, so its address is 0, and then next one is came. Let's say next one is came, and it is not here. Let's say it is be here. Let me I will about the what is the miss and hit inside this one. Let's then when B came, B is here, so its address is 0 and A address will be increases to 1. Then if C came, C will be here and its address will be 0 initial, and then others one are increases by 1. So this strategy is used here. So which one has the largest number is the least recently used. Let's say B is again need to refer CPU wants B again, so there is a hit because it is already is in this one, this cache. So what happen when is the hit occur is current reference is 0, oh sorry 1, and so it changes to 0 because we need to use this one. And others counters which is lower than this one, this B is lower than this one, so they are increased by 1. So lower than this one is this one 0, which is of C, so this address will be 1, and which is greater than this one will be same as previously, this one will be 2. Okay, now when a miss occur, let's say there is a miss, something we want D and D is not present in here, and because of this set is not fully filled, So what can happen, this D comes here, this D comes here, or its address is go set as 0, and others will be increased by +1. So +1 we will increase +1 +1 +1, so it will be 3, it will be 1, and it will be 2, and this is 0. So you can see that there always uh, only these four numbers are can be possible here, that is 0 1 2 3, because there are only four blocks, and it will not be go beyond the three numbers, these three, not 4 not 5. So another case is like that, if a processor wants some block which is E, which is not present inside this cache, so E will be, so E should replace that one which is not used recently. So these numbers tell us which is not used recently, that is 3 number. So E will be here replaced by, and as soon as it replaces as soon as it replaces, and its counter will be now 0, and other of the three block counter will be increased by 1. So all of them are increased now. Previously we increased only those who are lesser than. Now we increase all. So +1 +1 and +1. So it will be 1, it will be 3, and it will be 2. So this is the rule of LRU. Now LRU algorithm has been used extensively, although it performs well for many access pattern. It can lead to a poorer performance in some cases, and for example, um, it produce disappointing result when the access are made to sequential elements of an array that is slightly too large to fit in this cache. Performance of LRU algorithm can be improved by introducing a small amount of randomness in deciding which block to replace. Several other algorithms also present, let's say, a reasonable rule is said that which one is oldest block from the set, it will replace it will be replaced by the new block. However, because of this, algorithm does not take into account the recent pattern of access to block in the cache, it will generally not in as effective as LRU. That because of this one, let's say this one is B is oldest, but it may be possible it is recently used. Oldest mean which come first out of these, and recently used, it can be oldest, but it is recently used, so it must be there, because there is the largest possibility that it will be referenced soon. So another thing is that another method is like randomly choose the block to be overwritten. So interestingly, the simplest algorithm, that is a randomly choose, has been found a quite effective in practice. That can be possible. Now this one is for enough for this topic. We will meet in next video.